Good morning, students. In today's video, I'm going to explain you about global warming. What are the causes of global warming and how does it affects to our day-to-day life and to the earth and all the living beings, plants and animals living on it. Global warming. Global warming is the increase in average temperature of the earth's near surface, air and oceans. Most of the observed temperature increase is caused by increased concentration of greenhouse gases, major gases, water vapor 36 to 70%, carbon dioxide 9 to 26%, methane 4 to 9% and ozone 3 to 7%. What is global warming? Global warming is when the earth heats up. As the name indicates, the temperature rises. It happens when greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide and methane trap heat and light from the sun in Earth's atmosphere, which increases the temperature. This hurts many people, animals and plants. Many cannot take the change, so they die. So it is this much serious. Global warming, it is the picture indicating the global warming. Here you can see कि किस तरह से ये जो CFCs निकल रही हैं, ऑटोमोबाइल्स हैं और या फायर से या अलग अलग तरह से किस तरह से रेडिएशंस डिफरेंट क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन्स एमिट हो रहे हैं और जो सन की रेज हैं वो कितनी एब्जॉर्ब हो रही हैं, कितनी वापस रिफ्लेक्ट बैक हो रही हैं. तो ये सारा चीज़ें डिपिक्ट करती हैं आपकी ग्लोबल वार्मिंग को. What are greenhouse gases? Greenhouse gases are in the Earth's atmosphere that collect heat and light from sun. जो ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस का मेरा वीडियो है उसमें आप डिटेल्स में इसको स्टडी कर सकते हैं. द प्राइमरी ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस इन द अर्थ्स एटमॉस्फेयर आर वाटर वेपर, carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide and ozone. With too many greenhouse gases in the air, the Earth's atmosphere will trap too much heat and the Earth will grow and the Earth will get too hot. As a result, people, animals and plants would die because the heat would be too strong. ग्रीन हाउस गैसेस ये अलग अलग एनुअल ग्रीन हाउस गैस एमिशन बाय सेक्टर. डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स में लाइक इंडस्ट्रियल जो प्रोसेसेस हैं वो इसको कंट्रीब्यूट करते हैं ग्रीन हाउस गैसों को 16.8%, पावर स्टेशंस 21.3%, वेस्ट डिस्पोजेबल एंड ट्रीटमेंट 3.4%, लैंड यूज एंड बायोमास बर्निंग 10.0%, then residual and commercial and other sources 10.3%, fossil fuel retrieval, processing etc. 11.3%, agricultural byproducts 12.5%, transportation fuels 14.0%. So these are the different percentage of the sectors which are responsible for the greenhouse gases, for the emission of greenhouse gases. The greenhouse effect is when the temperature rises because the sun's heat and light is trapped in the Earth's atmosphere. Example, this is like when heat is trapped in a car. On a very hot day, the car gets hotter when it is out in the parking lot. This is because the heat and light from the sun can get into the car by going through the windows, but it can't get back out. This is what the greenhouse effect does to the earth. तो this is the very simple examples. जैसे एक कार के अंदर जब आप गर्मी में बैठते हैं तो वो बहुत ज़्यादा गर्म हो जाती है बिकॉज जो सन रेज हैं वो अंदर आ जाती हैं और उसको गर्म कर देती हैं, पर वो वापस नहीं जा सकती, इसलिए जो कार का टेम्परेचर है वो हाई हो जाता है. सेम विद द अर्थ, द हीट एंड लाइट कैन गेट थ्रू द एटमॉस्फेयर बट इट कांट गेट आउट. वो अंदर तो आ जाती है हीट एंड लाइट बट इट कांट गेट आउट, बाहर नहीं जा पाती. एज ए रिजल्ट द टेम्परेचर राइजेस. ग्रीन हाउस इफेक्ट ये भी पिक्चर डिपिक्ट कर रही है. गो थ्रू द पिक्चर एंड यहाँ पे अलग अलग लेबल्स लगे हुए हैं जिससे कि आपको समझने में आसानी रहेगी. व्हाट कॉजेज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग? वन थिंग दैट कॉजेज ग्लोबल वार्मिंग इज इलेक्ट्रिकल पोल्यूशन. Electricity causes pollution in many ways, some worse than others. In most cases, fossil fuels are burned to create electricity. Fossil fuels are made of dead plants and animals. Some examples of fossil fuels are oil and petroleum. Many pollutants, chemicals that pollute the air, water and land are sent into the air when fossil fuels are burnt. Some of these chemicals are called greenhouse gases. Some common examples are turning on a light, watching TV, listening to a stereo, washing or drying clothes, using a hair dryer, riding a car, heating a meal in the microwave, using an air conditioner, playing a video game, using a dishwasher. Causes of global warming. Emission of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, etc. Into the atmosphere. It causes the global warming. The major source is carbon dioxide, 20% by methane and nitrous oxide. Carbon dioxide. The major source of carbon dioxide is the power plants, burning of fossil fuels for the purpose of electricity generation, and about 20% of carbon dioxide emitted in the atmosphere comes from burning of gasoline in the engines of the vehicles. Then comes the methane. Methane is more than 20 times as effectual as carbon dioxide at entrapping heat in the atmosphere. Methane is obtained from resources such as rice paddies, bovine flatulence, bacteria in bogs and fossil fuel manufacture. Nitrous oxide. The main sources of nitrous oxide include nylon and nitric acid production, cars with catalytic converters, the use of fertilizers in agriculture and the burning of organic matter. Deforestation. Cutting and burning of forest for the purpose of residence and industrialization. ये भी एक मेन कॉज है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का. Effect of global warming. Global warming makes the sea rise, and when the sea rises, the water covers many lowland islands. This is a big problem for many of the plants, animals and people on the islands. The water covers the plants and causes some of them to die. When they die, the animals lose a source of food along with their habitat. Although animals have a bit better ability to adapt to what happens than plants do, they may die also. When the plants and animals die, people lose two sources of food, plant food and animal food. They may also lose their homes. It is killing algae, but it is also destroying many huge forests. The pollution that causes global warming is linked to acid rain. Acid rain gradually destroys almost everything it touches. Global warming is also causing many more fires that wipe out whole forests. This happens because global warming can make the earth very hot. In forests, some plants and trees' leaves can be so dry that they can catch on fire. Effect of global warming. Some effects of global warming on agriculture, like loss of biodiversity in fragile environment on tropical forests, loss of fertile coastal lands caused by rising sea levels, increased frequency of weather extremes, या तो भाई storms होंगे, floods होंगे या droughts होंगे, lower growing seasons in cool areas, increase in incidences of pest and vector borne diseases, more unpredictable farming conditions in tropical areas, dramatic changes in distributing and quantities of fish and sea levels. तो ये कुछ इफ़ेक्ट्स हैं ग्लोबल वार्मिंग के. अवेयरनेस कैसे होगी अब ग्लोबल वार्मिंग से, मतलब जागरूकता कैसे फैला सकते हैं. ट्रीज फॉर द फ्यूचर हैज़ बीन हेल्पिंग कम्युनिटीज़ अराउंड द वर्ल्ड प्लांट ट्रीज. Though seed distribution, agroforestry training and our country programs, we have empowered rural groups to restore tree cover to their lands. Planting trees protects the environment and helps to preserve traditional livelihoods and cultures for the generations. Consequences. The effect of global warming is increasing the average temperature of the earth, alterations in the ecology, including an increasing sea level and modifying the quantity and pattern of rainfall. Boost the occurrence and concentration of severe climate events such as floods, famines, heat waves, tornadoes and twisters. Glaciers melting, lesser summer stream flows, genus extinctions and rise in range of disease vectors. Various new diseases have emerged. The global warming is extending the distribution of mosquitoes due to the increase in humidity levels and their frequent growth in warmer atmosphere affects the marine life. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग। इसकी अवेयरनेस के बारे में आप पढ़िए और जानिए कि किस तरह से आप अपने लेवल पे ग्लोबल वार्मिंग को कम करने के लिए हेल्प कर सकते हैं। सेव द एनवायरनमेंट, सेव द अर्थ एंड रिस्पेक्ट द अर्थ। थैंक यू सो मच।